If we do bhajan, what are we doing? We have no time. No, sir, we have time. But we are lazy fellows. Because without any difficulty we can get our food. Why should we do that? We will never do it. Get food. So, there is no law, there is no government to check and punish those people who do mistake, doesn't follow the teachings of Gauranga. Mahaprabhu Gauranga, his teaching has special. What is that speciality? Speciality is anywhere you can sit, any place in war, whatever you eat, must do bhajan. That's some sort of facility. But that also, we are unfortunate to contribute. We do not want that sort of bhajan. We must do bhajan. Everybody should do bhajan. No talk. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In a temple, you see, eat freely. There were many people who eat freely, and there may be many people who give money. Though they give money, it is wrong. Though without money who eat, it is wrong. So, now we must be very careful. Become an ideal Babaji, ideal Vaishnava, Babaji. Babaji, he doesn't care for others. He must be Haridas. He will be in a cave-like place sitting and doing. Mama, if anybody gives anything, he will cheat. But doing Namam, day and night doing Namam, 3 lakhs Namam daily he does. How? How one can do 3 lakhs Namam? It's very difficult. 3 lakhs Namam one cannot do. 1 lakh, it wants 8 hours. No fellow is there to sit and do 1 lakh Namam daily. No, he doesn't do anything except bhojan. Bhojan he wants. And if we tell this, we are enemies. We must do or die. There is an ideal institution where we get. But institution, the females will be separate, male members will be separate. We should do in our time, Prabhupada's time. Nobody was allowed to stay in the temple outsider. Male members, the devotees, they were allowed. But female members are not allowed. That was the The law is nowhere. Now everybody wants to eat and enjoy. But what for? To eat and enjoy. There must be a chain to break the head of this rope. Why? Why the male and female should remain intimate? They should think that this is a temple. The male members must remain for what? To do service. They must do service. Without service, one cannot get the food here. And female members, they can come and go. They should not stay in much. They come and they go. Those days were not now. And thereby, they are not doing anything good for themselves, not for the public. And those male members, those who stay in the mud, they should work hard. Now, male and female members, where do you come from? You come from ISKCON. Now, everybody says, I am ISKCON member. And he is also ISKCON member. We will collect something and go. So that I am collecting. Now the worst stage is ISKCON member. Worst. I was there. Maharaj, our Prabhupada, to whom you say, he came to, was born my invitation in 1701 when we wanted to open the temple on the banks of Godavari. He came, number of disciples, all male members, they have come and they have performed installation, and then he went away. Again he came, month of February or March, he came to our Visakhapatnam temple. 20 members have come. They doesn't know how to purchase plantains, how to purchase this and that, doesn't know. So Maharaj to said, you please help them. Maharaj, I cannot sit with them always. I have many work. How can I sit them to teach them about marketing? They have got money, Maharaj. They have spent party. And those girls also, bananas.
Cheating me.
One banana costs 15 rupees.
15.
In Europe, there, one banana, 1 rupee. And now still cheap, and they are having plenty of banana. Or, so, anyhow, wheat. thought that Maharaj said, I want to have a feast. Yes, you can give a feast, but you should go and invite. So, he said, you go. No, Maharaj, nobody will come. You should. And he told me to go to Navadvip town to invite the Maharaj, two Maharaj. Maharaj. They said, you will not go.